Pig is there, Imran's there. We are at the dam. Check out the rock formations. Hopefully you can see what I'm trying to show you guys. Yeah, just goes up a little.
1 foot where, sir? 4 inch, 5 inch, that's it.
That's it?
To open. Too speed.
Where does it rotate? Where does it turn? Oh, the pulley is up.
The pulley is up.
Oh, okay. Okay guys, first cast.
What?
We have a Lucana from Shafi.
Good budget rates in Okuma.
Which direction should I go, Imran?
Up.
To the side or straight or?
Just wait. Just give me.
Okay. Where? Oh, you drop it straight down?
Straight? No, there is all the time fishing. Lift up.
Yeah, jigging basically, no?
Don't retrieve. Again you have to test the bottom. Sound bar ಬೇಕು ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದು ಬನ್ನಿ
Hit.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀರು ಪಾಸ್ ಯಾ
Fish. Oi.
ಬಿಗ್ ಒನ್
Oh my god. ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ಡ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ರಾಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ.
Oh my god.
ನೋಡಿ ವಾಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Oh, I shouldn't have left him go only.
Straight bunny, come straight.
No, I shouldn't have let him go to the wall only.
You come straight. No problem. You come this side. Line always straight. In bunny.
In 1 second.
Don't tight drag. Line cut ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
He's not going to come up, no?
ಏಕೆ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No, he's gone down.
ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮೇಬಿ.
No, he's moving. Let him go. If he comes this side.
Yes. Pump. Tight pump.
Oh. Should fight for a long time.
Yeah.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಲೇಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾನು. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ನಾನು ಅದೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ವಾಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yeah. Oh, this bugger is going. He's trying to go deeper and deeper. Hello, Professor. क्यों ऐसे बात करते हैं आप? हाँ, I got him up. First cast, yeah. With Imran, the champion. Yeah, I got him, yeah.
Tired or go to fight.
Okay, holy shit, look at the size of that fish. Oh my god. Big bugger. I hope you guys can see what I am seeing. Holy shit. Okay, Imran's dropping a net because there's no other way to.
Drifting net.
It's called a drifting net.
Drifting. Good fish.
Are you good, Imran? Should I pull him?
No, don't pull.
Same place?
Again.
Wow, we got him. You're a champ. Shall I start reeling as you bring up?
Just
Open the bail
arm
Huh.
and keep on.
Okay.
If it fell,
Wow, look at that. That's the amount of energy going. Oh, nice. Some 5 kg?
no. I think 7, 8.
Seriously? Wow. Huge fish. First cast. It's a mully. Wow. Okay, time to get him out. Okay guys, this is the first mully we caught. It's about, how many kgs, Imran?
7, 8.
Oh, maybe 7, 8 kgs.
One head. Yes.
Okay, we're going to release the fish now.
Wait.
Oh, you want to put the snap?
Yeah.
Why?
ಅದು ನೆಟ್ಟು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ.
Oh, interesting. So, should I go this way?
Yeah.
Now you take off all the wire. Yeah. Okay, we're going to release it now. Slow and steady.
Okay.
I'll leave it?
Yeah.
Okay.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈನ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಲೈನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. I'll open the bail. 1 minute. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bail arm open.
Yes, it's open. Whew, he went. Oh, he's gone. Finally. Nice. Thanks, Imran.
Oh, makes sense.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Nice.
Good fish.
Good first fish. Good
Nut.
start. Fish on. Oh, you come this side. No, I don't want you to go that side. Okay, he's right there. Okay, I've left it a bit loose so that he can move around. Oh, he's trying to go. Okay, I'm gonna hold him back. No, don't go. Yeah, stay there. Okay, so the only way to get this fish up from the dam is with Imran's net. Now slowly bring him in. You let me know when I should open the bail. Okay. Yeah. Okay, the fish is in the basket. Opening the bail. There's the rod here. Nice. Small guy. 2-3 kg guy, no? Maybe that's why he was active.
Eaten.
Oh shit. But single hooks, easy to remove.
No problem.
It's okay. I'll hold this.
Yeah.
It won't hurt him, no?
No problem. Catfish on no problem.
Beautiful. Such a beautiful fish.
Camera.
Just close it off, Imran. In wallet also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hide your fingers.
Yeah.
Just on the belly. Still very active.
Yeah, still active. He doesn't want to. This is better?
Yeah.
Is there?
Oh, okay.
I'll just take it over. Okay, recording. Here we go. Okay, my friend, it's time to jump. Whoa! Oh! As soon as he went in, he went straight. Swimming.
Active.
Yeah, very active. Young fellow, no? Young blood. So the lure we used is a Lucana curly tail, no? Lucana curly tail. Apparently white and red is its favorite color according to Imran.